In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of OneDrive. We'll walk you through the steps in a clear and straightforward manner to ensure you can easily manage your OneDrive account when needed. So, let's get started. First, make sure your computer is turned on and you're at your desktop with OneDrive running. Look for the OneDrive icon, which you'll typically find in the lower right corner of your screen, located on the taskbar. It usually looks like a small cloud. If you don't see it, it might be hidden in the taskbar overflow area. Click the small upward-facing arrow to reveal any hidden icons, and that should lead you to it. Once you've located the OneDrive icon, click on it to open the OneDrive Activity Center. This will bring up a small window that provides you access to various OneDrive features and settings. Here, you'll see options like recent files and syncing status. What you want to do now is look for the Help Settings option, which is usually denoted by a gear icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu that offers different choices for managing your OneDrive account. In this drop-down menu, there's an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will appear, giving you access to all the detailed settings for your OneDrive. In this settings window, there are several tabs that allow you to customize OneDrive to your liking, but for our purpose, focus on the Account tab. Simply click on the Account tab to view details related to your current OneDrive account and connected services. Once you're on the Account tab, you'll see information about your OneDrive account usage, such as your storage status. What you want to focus on is the button labeled Unlink this PC. By clicking Unlink this PC, you effectively sign out from OneDrive on this specific device. After clicking Unlink this PC, a prompt will appear to confirm the action. Confirming this by clicking Unlink Account will stop OneDrive from syncing files between the cloud and your device. It's important to note that this action doesn't affect your files stored in the cloud. They will still be accessible by signing back into your OneDrive account later. Once you complete this step, OneDrive will no longer be actively syncing your files on this PC. However, to completely remove any local files, you might want to manually delete them from your PC if they're no longer needed. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of OneDrive on your PC. Remember, you can always sign back in when you're ready to sync files again. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.